Okay students, good morning once again. Today we will be dealing with class 11 chapter 1 exercise 1.1. So let's begin. Taking first question, which of the followings are said? Are sets. First part is the collection of all month of a year beginning with letter J. All months of year beginning with J. So what are the months which begin with the letter J? Mm, from starting June, July, and that's it. So what about this? Is this a well-defined collection or not? Yes, this is a well-defined collection, so this is set. Yes. Next part is second, and the question is the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers. So for you, what will be the most talented writers of India? And if you write Munshi Premchand, what if I write Munshi Premchand and Kabir Das and other writers' whole name? Will this be a well-defined collection or no? No, this will not be a well-defined collection because this is not well defined, because there is no specific criteria to describe 10 most talented writers of India. For some, the criteria for describing talented writers will be different, and for some for criteria for talented writers will be different. So that's why this is not a well defined collection. Okay, moving to the next part, we have next part is third, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. The same logic will be applied here as it was in previous part. There is no specific criteria for describing best cricket batsman. That's why this is not a set. Is not a set. Simple. Moving to the next part, we have the collection of all boys in your class. In your class. Will this be a set or no? Yes, this will be a set because this is well defined, and this is well defined because there is specific criteria for describing. collection of all boys. Criteria. Okay. And taking one more part, we have the collection of all natural number less than 100. All natural number less than 100. This will definitely be a set because there is a specific criteria for describing the natural number which are less than 100. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 100. I have not included 0 because 0 is not a natural number. And students, I leave rest part for you to try yourself. Okay, now moving to the second question, we have pause the video to note it down, and now we will discuss about second question. Okay, in second question we have, let a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Insert appropriate symbol belongs or not doesn't belongs in the following spaces. Insert belongs or in spaces. So first part is 5 dash a. What will be inserted in this blank? I'll again tell you, this symbol is used for belongs. So students, does 5 belong to this A set or no? Yes, this belongs. Then we will definitely fill the blank with this belongs. Second part we have 8 space A. Now does this 8 come in this set? No. So we will apply insert this, doesn't belong. Next part we have 0 space A. 0 is not in this set, so we will insert doesn't belongs. Next part we have 4 space A. 4 in this set, 4 is in this set, yes, then we will insert belongs. Next part we have 2 space A. 2 is in this set, yes, that's why we will insert belongs. Let me erase this. Sixth and fifth, this was only the last part. And moving to the next question, we have third question is, write the following set in roster form. Write sets in roster form. First part is A is equal to x is related to x, so that x is an integer and x is greater than equal to -3 and less than 7. So what will be the roster form of this set? Roster form of this set will be integer lines from -3 and 7. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 6. I included till 6 because sorry, only 6 will be included because here the symbol is x is less than 7, not equal to, and I included 3 because here the symbol is less than equal to 3. Okay, that's why 3 is included. You may be familiar with these symbols. Okay, now moving to the second part, we have b is equal to x is related to x such that x is a natural number less than 6, a natural number less than 6, less than 6. So what are the natural number less than 6? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it, because here it is said that natural number less than 6, not greater than 6, or not greater than or less than equal to 6. Okay, now moving to the third part, we have third part is c is equal to x is related to x such that x is a a two digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8, that of its digit is 8. So what are the two digit natural numbers which sum is equal to 8? So from beginning we have 1 7, because 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. We will not include 0 8 because 0 8 is not a two digit number, it is one digit number. That's why we excluded 8, 0 8 from the list. Next up we have 2 5 3, sorry, 2 6 3 5 4 4 5 3 6 2 7 1 and 8 0. We included 8 0 because it is a two digit number and its sum is also equal to 8. Okay, and moving to the fourth part, we have d is equal to x is related to x so that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60, is divisor of 60. So what are the prime number which are divisor of 60? So moving to the answer, we have, first of all we will have 2, then 3, then not 4 because 4 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Then what next? 5, 7 is not its factor, not 8, 9, not 9, 11, and till 5 because the upcoming numbers will not be a factor of 60. Okay, moving to the next part, we have fifth part is the set of all letters in what trigonometry. E is equal to set of all letters in what trigonometry. All letters in trigonometry. Okay, in roster form we will write it as E is equal to T R I G O N, not O because O is repeated here, M E, not T because T is already here, not R repeated here, and Y. That's it. Trigonometry. Next part we have, next and last, F is equal to the set of all letter in word better. Set of all letters in better. In roster form we will write it as B E T R, B E T R, and that's it. Student, remember to put these curly brackets inside outside a set, because if you will not put a set in this curly bracket it will not be regarded as a set. मैं दोबारा कह रहा हूँ, अगर आप ये curly brackets नहीं लगाएंगे तो ये set नहीं माना जाएगा. Is that all right? Okay. Our next question is, our fourth question is, write the following sets in set builder form. Write in set builder form. Our first part is 3 6 9 12. So what do you notice in this? Student, what do you notice in this? These all are factors of 3. So if we will write it in set builder form, first of all let it be equal to A, and solution A is equal to x is related to x, such that x is equal to 3n, n belongs to natural number, and n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. So what is meaning of 3n here? 3n means 3, 3n and 1, 4. So basically we need to replace n from 1 to 4. So replacing 1 we will have 3, 2, 6, 9 and 3 with n with 4 we have 12. That's it. Students, note that if you have any doubt, write me in comment. I will definitely reach you. Moving to the second part, we have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So what do you notice from here? 2 4, 8, 16, 32. These all are the power of 2, 2 power n. Okay, so let this be equal to b. Solution will be equal to b is equal to x is related to x, so that x equals to 2 the power n, such that n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 5. That's it. In third part we have 5, 25, 125 and 625. Let this be equal to c, and in set builder form we will write it as c is equal to, in this question also the same logic will be applied here. We will write it as x is related to x, such that x is equal to 5 to the power n, and such that n is greater than 1 and greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. That's it. Okay students, please pause the video to note it down. In fourth part we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Let this be equal to d, and in set builder form we will write it as x is related to x, is that x is a even natural number. That's it. For in fifth and last part we have 1, 4, 9 until 100. Let this be equal to e. Students, note that these numbers are square of even natural number. 1 is square of 1, 2, 3 and 100 is square of 10. So in set builder form we will write it as solution e is equal to x is related to x, so that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to natural number and n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 10. That's it. In moving to the next question, we have our fifth question is list all the elements in list the all elements of following set. List all elements of following sets. First part is a is equal to x is related to x, such that x is an odd natural number, is an odd natural number. So what are the odd natural numbers? Beginning a is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 until infinity. That's it. And second part is b is equal to x is related to x, such that x is an integer minus such that x is greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2. Student, if you wish to divide minus 1 by 2, you can do it, and I will be following the same method. We will have minus 0.5, x is greater than minus 0.5 and less than 4.5. okay, so in roster form we will write it as 1 sorry 0 1 2 3 and that's it. Students, do you know why I included 4 and 0? Because 0 is an integer and 4.5 is also integer, and it is said that x is less than 4.5. That's why I included 4 and 0. okay, in next part we have our third part is c equals to x is related to x such that x is an integer and integer and x square is less than 4. Students, know that it is given integer, so we will include c equals to minus 1 0 1 and that's it, because we have not included 2 because 2 square equals to 4 and it is said that x square must be less than 4 and here it is equal to 4. That's why I didn't include minus 2 and 2 in this list. okay, moving to the next part, we have d equals to x is related to x such that x is a letter in the word lower, is a letter in word loyal. So basically we will have d is equal to loy, that's it, because l is already here, we need not need to write again and again. Students, I leave the rest of part for you guys, and if you have any problem write in comment section. And our next question is match each of the set on the left in roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. I also leave this question for you because it is quite simple and you can do it yourself. And if you have any query, write in comment section. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.